Guys, back to Joey's life. So it's rare that I start my video outside on my phone, but it's just to show you the big snowstorm we got last night. I actually just finished shoveling in front of the garage door around the cars. All of this we're gonna have to do it with the snowblower when my dad's gonna be back from work. He's not working late. He's working until like 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip the camera and show you the big snowstorm we got. We're announcing all week a big snowstorm of 20 to 25 centimeters of snow. That's about what we got. That's about 25 right there. That's about 20 or 25 centimeters right there, man. And it's still snowing and accumulating, so it's not done. It's still coming down. So first off, this snow is very sticky. I can see it's extremely sticky. So it was hard to shovel, but that's the advantage of having a scraper with sides like this. You can use it as a shovel. So that's what we love from this scraper, is that you can use it as a shovel. So when I first came out this morning, I took the scraper that was there, started shoveling. I started shoveling next to the truck. The truck was parked right there, which is right there, and I went around all the truck. Then I passed the broom. Then I shoveled again. Then I finished passing the broom. Then I shoveled again. Then I passed the broom on here. During the time I was passing the broom on my mom's car, my mom was passing the scraper down there. I backed up the car so we could pass the scraper on under a bit too. Something very quickly. This Subaru Crosstrek SUV is unstoppable in the snow. It's unstoppable. Okay, there was about this much snow. Okay, in total we got 42 centimeters. I heard it at the radio. I searched it up. We got 42 centimeters in total. Back at the start of the video, we had only 25, but more the day went, more it was accumulating, and we got about 42. The car, I just pressed on the gas, didn't even spin. My dad, when he came back from work, he got it out the driveway. At the end of the driveway, there was about like 45 centimeters or so. The car has no problem. But it's an all-wheel drive, and Subaru are known for the best all-wheel drive system. So if you ever want to get a car and you want to have a good car for winter, get a Subaru, guys. So we could put snow on the rocks that's under there. So yeah, pretty much that. Yeah, the piles of snow are already starting to be pretty high, like you can see. There we go. I'll go show you the road. The roads aren't nice. The school bus are canceled. I told you guys we would have a snow day today. I'll go show you the roads. They're really not nice. I'm gonna go in my dad's pickup marks. See his tire marks. Here's the road. Jesus Christ, the road's not nice. I'm waiting for the cars to pass. I'll be right back. So much traffic, literally. There's another car right there. I haven't seen one snow removal tractor yet, and it's 8 something. So yeah, I was outside at about 6:50 a.m. woke up at 6:30 during the time I'm preparing myself. So yeah, the roads are fucked, man. They're not nice. Look at this. You can't see shit. Can't even see the end of the freaking road. It's so bad, and only the middle's clean. There's only the middle that's clean. Except that, the roads aren't clean yet. The plow truck did not pass yet. It's probably gonna pass in a few minutes. The problem is that the problem is that there's already a bunch of snow from the plow truck last night. The problem is that at the end of the driveway, there's more snow than in the driveway, and the reason why is because the plow truck passed at last night. The decks. We're gonna go clean the deck, all the 3 decks at the backyard. Then we're gonna make the trail that goes all the way to the fire pit. Then we're gonna go clean the little tiles in front of the gazebo, and we're gonna go clean the tile in front of the shed. The problem is that so I'll clean the deck, but the problem is that how am I supposed to get from the fire pit? How am I supposed to go to the shed? How am I supposed to get to the shed from the fire pit. I can't make a trail all the way to the shed. It's way too long. So what I'll have to do is put snow pants on, because like you can see, I don't have snow pants right now. It's jogging. So I'll have to put snow pants on, then walk all the way to the shed and everything. I'll film that with the GoPros. But for now, guys, I'm going to go inside, eat breakfast, and I'm going to come back out. Look, it doesn't... Look, it's still accumulating. Look at this. Look how fast it's freaking accumulating. This is bad. I'm excited to get this guy out in the snow. I'm excited to try my ATV in the snow. But, yeah, so I'm really excited to try my ATV in the snow. But before I can try it in the snow, I'll have to wait till my dad's here. My dad said he wanted me to wait till he was here, so that's what I'm going to do. Well, I told him I'm going to wait till you're here. But I'm excited to try it in the snow. Should I try it on 2-wheel drive first or on 4-wheel drive? I think I'll put it on 4-wheel drive, just so I don't get stuck. Alright, I'm going to go eat breakfast. I'll see you guys back on the GoPros after breakfast. Alright, so I'm back. I'm on the GoPro now, just to show you how it's still accumulating. Look at this. I passed the scraper, you guys know. Here. It's still accumulating. So now I'm just going to go set up the 2 GoPros at the backyard. And we're going to go to do the decks. Yeah. Alright, we're going to start by... Alright, so let's start by doing the stairs. We installed the snowblower yesterday because we knew this was coming pretty fast, so. Mittens on because I couldn't find, because the gloves I was wearing this morning were all wet, and I could not find the other gloves that my dad was talking about. I think they're in his office. That's where they're at, I think. Not sure. Alright. Bring you guys up here. Alright, so I'm gonna continue shoveling without gloves right now during the time my mom finds some. Whew. A lot of snow. Holy shit. Idiots. Holy shit. Wow. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright. What I like is that I have 3 coats, so if this one becomes too like wet and everything, I can just go inside and get another one. But the other ones are like the ones I take to go to school, so I would have to be careful to not put them dirty. But fuck this shit. Alright, we need a battery powered snowblower. That would be useful. Fuck. Alright, I'll be right back. I don't like wearing mittens, so I'm gonna do this deck. I'm gonna do the trail that goes to the gazebo after that. And then after that, I'm gonna go inside and try to find the other glove. Fucking butt. So people who thought we would have a green Christmas, well, we were all wrong. Alright, I'm gonna do the trail and then I'll be... Alright, so I'm gonna make a trail all the way to the fire pit. Oh my. So when you get the first snowstorm, don't go too deep, because if you take too much snow off the grass, it won't be good for the grass. It's gonna burn your grass. Just leave a little tiny layer of snow on top of it. I'm just gonna spin around it. But there's some places where I won't be able to fit with the stripper, so I'll have to get the shovel. But you know, it's getting there. You're just literally laying down in snow. Great job, Jack. No, go back inside. And it's still snowing. Literally, it is still snowing. It's supposed to stop at Sunday now. It was supposed to stop Saturday, now it's supposed to stop Sunday. Alright, let's go to the shed. I don't have snow pants on. I should be able to get there. It's pretty freaking deep. In there. Is it still snowing? You know what I'm finding weird right now? Is that it's still snowing, but not that hard, so that's weird. Alright, so I'm gonna do right down here. Jesus Christ. Seriously, a big storm. It's a blizzard. I'm gonna start the tractor, see if it starts. I know, I'm gonna start the ATV. Let's see if the ATV starts correctly. It should. It's not that cold. So even if it wasn't plugged, it should start. No problem there. I'm excited to try it in the deep snow. Can you guys tell me what it's gonna do? Because I don't know. I've never had a four-wheel drive ATV before. Now we'll start the tractor. Alright, so like I was saying, before the battery on the Hero 5 Black died, let's go see if the tractor starts. So we're gonna turn off the ATV for now. Doesn't need to run that much. Just excited to try it in the deep snow. But now let's start the tractor, make sure it starts correctly. It's plugged in, so battery should be heated up. Glow plugs need to be changed on this tractor. The glow plugs needs to be changed. The chute works. The deflector works. We're good. Starts up like a beast. So now, next thing we'll do is wait till my dad's here. When he's gonna be here, probably just past the snowblower. Now, what I'm gonna do before I go back inside, I'm gonna repass the scraper here really fast, really quickly. I'm just gonna do that on time lapse, guys. Don't forget, these videos don't have much editing. All the clips are pretty much good. Everything is good in these videos. Don't forget that, guys.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look...
I don't even know why I did this, because it's still accumulating. Like, all of this snow you see right here, this is all new from right now. Look, you clean the interlock 2 minutes after, it's still falling. Like you can see, it's still snowing really hard right now. Yep, it's snowing very hard right now. So there's not really a point of doing this. It's just so that we keep the entrance clear, but yeah. Yeah. Holy shit, this is a lot of snow. If you see a bump right here, it's because this toque is Bluetooth. So right now, if I would want to, I could put music and you guys wouldn't hear it. I would be the only one who would hear it. I cleaned the car. Look at this. It's still full of snow. Like, it's just non-stop. Let's see the road. Let's go to the road. This. The plow truck passed, but it passed only on that side, and because it's still accumulating and it passed like about an hour ago, doesn't do shit. All right, so we're back now, guys. It's the evening. Like you can see, it's dark. It's starting to be dark outside. Well, it is dark. We're gonna pass the snowblower. My dad has been back for since 4 o'clock, since 4:30 o'clock, 4:30 p.m. I moved the car, put it right behind the truck. So when my dad arrived, I took the car, put it right behind the truck. Now we're gonna pass the snowblower. We might not do the entire driveway because it's starting to be dark, so we'll do it tomorrow, but we'll have to do the end of the driveway. That's really important right now. Like, we need to do it. It's very important. So this tractor is gonna start up. So like you guys can see, the snowblower has no problem in big sticky snow. Right here we're about in 35 centimeters of snow. Right there at the end of the road though, that's about 40, 45, okay? And like you can see, and this is big sticky snow. The snowblower is not even bugging. It's awesome, this snowblower, man. you that I passed a snowblower in the yard. My dad wanted to show me how to go close to the tree, but not too close, so I get some branches in the snowblower. So that's why he was doing it, but then I did the rest. So hope you guys enjoy. The end of the video, guys. The GoPro stopped recording there and the battery died. What happened is that the battery died on the Hero 9, so just stopped recording. I would have really loved if I could have had the part where I finished passing it in the driveway, but I don't. Whatever, this is part 1 of the big snowstorm. So this is getting posted today, which is Sunday. Part 2 is getting edited tonight and posted tomorrow morning. So hope you guys enjoy and see you next one. Peace out.